your kids' spaces so you know what they need. Really going through their clothing items, the things that they need will make great Christmas gifts, or you make room for additional gifts if they're an age where toys are appropriate. So just getting rid of clutter. If you're having guests come over, decluttering those guest areas, whatever it is, it will just lift a huge mental burden, because more things to manage around the house is more things to manage around the house.
And less things to manage around the house will give you more time for the things that matter most this upcoming holiday season. That was Jen Martin, the founder and CEO of Reset Your Nest, encouraging us to declutter before the holidays hit. And our next guest echoes that same message and has specific challenges and tasks that we can take on to help us declutter now for a low-stress December. Professional organizer Vanessa Croshaw is going to share her step-by-step decluttering guide. It's good to have you, sister.
Thank you.
I so appreciate this charge and this call to now get ready so that later feels what? Lighter, easier, all of it?
Yes, let's enjoy the holidays instead of just endure them. So let's be on the front end, do the work now, so that as we glide into the holidays, we can enjoy every little moment instead of being overwhelmed by our own space.
So this idea of a pre-holiday declutter, are there specific items that I really should be focusing my eye on?
I think we're just helping the kids appreciate gratitude and generosity. So let's go through your closet. Let's go through the toy room. Let's decide what we no longer need. And then it teaches them that lesson that it's okay to let go of something if you're done with it and somebody else can enjoy it.
Your first recommendation is a challenge called the 3-box challenge. Explain this.
Okay, keep, donate, and toss. It's easy. 3 things. And so you're going to work quickly with your child, turn on music, let them pick the music. You're going to turn it into a game, make it fun. And so anything, you're going to touch all the items in their room, which feels overwhelming.
Everything?
Everything if you can, but no longer than an hour total. So you're going to touch everything, quick decisions, keep, donate, toss. And so then they get to make the decisions, and then you're gently guiding them on certain items, but they're going to get through it. You're taking assessment of what they have as you plan for the holiday.
Yes.
They're also taking assessment, oh, I forgot about that hoodie, or I forgot about this toy, and then they decide whether they want it.
Okay, I'm thinking of my, love her, 10-year-old preteen daughter who is the most eclectic museum collector that I have ever met.
Yes.
What if the items to her don't fit into one of those 3 boxes?
Okay, so we do the maybe box. You try to avoid this, but if you have a daughter who loves to collect everything, which we all have one, maybe have her compare different things that are like items. Which one is more special? And then have her choose which one is more special.
That's smart.
But yes, the maybe box is maybe something you put it in for the holidays and then revisit it in January. There's a good chance she's forgotten about it, and it's probably okay to let it go.
Really, I might have let my grip too far go as a mom, because I couldn't keep my Little Ponies on my nightstand as a child, and I think I've overcompensated with this cute museum collector of a daughter. Anyway, you also recognize that some items are too special to be donated, but also too dated to be kept out. What do we do with those?
So we have a specials bin for each child, labeled with their name. These are their medals or their special stuffy that came from grandma or something that they want to keep, but they don't really need it in their room anymore. And so then when they get married, which I had 2 last year, you hand off this specials bin, and they are grateful for the treasures, but grateful it's not more, because now they're in a tiny apartment.
Right.
So that one bin of specials, great. Put it in the closet and they're good.
So you're going to be very cautious in what you curate, but that also is a sweet memorabilia
and as
collection.
it fills up as they're growing, then you go through it and decide what stays and what goes.
Okay, after we've decided what we're keeping, then we assign every item a home, and then finally you say it's important to celebrate this process and celebrate what you're able to give.
Yes, make it part of the holidays. We go through our stuff before the holidays come. It's just part of like the prep for Christmas. I think we're all in this kind of middle age, like we're about to head into the giving season.
Right.
But let's be proactive and get rid of some things and make fresh space that we can actually enjoy the holidays.
I appreciate your positive energy and also the proactive and practical ways you're helping us tackle this and approach this. Vanessa, where can we get more advice from you?
Every Needful Thing on Instagram or everyneedfulthing.com, my website.
We'll meet you there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Challenge on the table. We accept, right?